Hi, I'm Corey McDonald, Quality Control Manager with Harwood Homes. Today, we're going to be discussing garage door maintenance. It's a good idea to perform some maintenance on your garage door each year. Anytime you're going to perform maintenance, always disconnect the garage door from the opener with the red pull tab. Your tab might be a different color depending on model or make. The first thing we're going to do is tighten the bolts on the door. You'll just need a wrench to do this. Start at the bottom and just kind of give each bolt a little tighten just to make sure that it's not loose. The second thing we can do is lubricate the hinges, the bolts, and the bearings. All you'll need is just a can of garage door lubricant that you can buy from your local hardware store. And simply spray the lubricant on each of the hinges throughout the door. Please refer to the owner's manual for any maintenance to the garage door itself. Following these simple steps will keep your garage door working year-round. If for some reason you're experiencing some extra difficulty with the garage door opener, go ahead and submit a warranty ticket to our department and we can send the correct technician to take a look at it for you.